Hey YouTubers, good morning, Rob Moffat. Guys, a couple of years ago, actually a year and a half ago, I did a video on COVID. I know everyone's sick to death of talking about COVID and so on, but there's been interesting developments, positive, some good news actually. Like I said, I did a video a year and a half ago about how I use a nasal rinse with shampoo, and I also gargle with specific gargles to help reduce the viral load and the possible health benefits. And I gave the reasons for doing that by linking to this study by lowering the transmission and spread of human coronavirus. In this study, they used human coronavirus as a proxy for COVID-19. They didn't actually use COVID-19 in the study, but they used a very similar virus, and they got excellent results by using nasal rinse with shampoo and different gargles. They showed the amounts and the different things that they use, what worked, what didn't, what was the best, what what didn't work hardly at all, and so on. It's an excellent study. And recently, I've been watching a woman by name Lindsay Dixon. She's a pharmacist in Canada. Excellent channel. I subscribe to her. And yesterday she had a video about can oral health predict severity of COVID-19? New evidence for COVID-19 severity and treatment. There has been some additional studies done with the COVID-19 virus, not just a virus that's similar. And in the study, they seem to indicate that the severity of the virus is reduced substantially by oral health, by people gargling with a mouthwash. They don't make any mention of nasal rinse like I did in my video from the study I had read, but she gives a lot of links to many different studies and a lot of good information here. And there's been, I'll link, here's one of the studies she has. They indicate that research shows that those who die from COVID-19 are 8.8 times more likely to have had severe gum disease. What's happening is here is the lungs are not the main transmission points for the virus. It looks like there's transmission points in the nose and the mouth, primarily in the mouth, that go into the pulmonary veins into the lung from the mouth. So if people are wondering why, if they're having something wrong with their lungs, should they be rinsing out their mouth or nose? That's because the virus is entering the lungs through the mouth and the nose. So it stands to reason if people are reducing their viral load by these very simple methods, this is good news, I think. And more people should know about it, which is why I'm making the video today. I want people to go and watch Lindsay's video. I'll leave a link to it, and she has many good links. The mouthwash that they're recommending is something that somebody's manufacturing or selling. So there could be like a connection. Well, if they're promoting it and they're also selling it and making it, I don't know if that's kosher, but they are doing the studies. People can read them. And the other study that I read had other types of mouthwash that seemed to be working with a virus that was similar to the COVID, although it wasn't identical. It wasn't exactly COVID-19. Some people are saying the mouthwash that has the alcohol are dangerous, and there's some debate about that. But I don't think people are going to be using this constantly anyway. It's just something to help during these times. So just information for people to ponder and think about, and get more research for themselves before they can make a decision. You should always talk to your healthcare professional about any medical avenue you're going to head down, any road you're going to travel. This is not, I'm not a doctor, I don't play one on YouTube, and you don't want to get your information about your health that you're going to be taking action on from someone who makes sandwich toaster videos. But this is what I'm doing, so you guys proceed accordingly. I've had good results, and I think people should go check out Lindsay's information and her links. So guys, hope that was something helpful to you. And I know we're all getting tired of this, talking about the subject, but here's the thing. If something as simple as brushing your teeth and using a mouthwash can help you reduce not just COVID, but any type of coronavirus, um, I think that's a blessing. That's something more people should find out about. And it's something I'm trying to do here, and hope you guys stay safe. See you out there.